Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. It's been a while since I've even looked at these engines. Just crazy to think it's been that long now. But I want to see if I'm able to start to put this one back together once again. It's been apart for months now, and I'm just tired of having all these parts all over the place and not being able to use this table. I figured it's probably time. We'll give it all a good cleaning, and we'll start putting all this together once again. Okay, let's get the air compressor going, and I'll start to put all this back together. Hopefully, we'll see. As you all probably know, there's always stuff that stops us in our way. We'll work through it. Alright, YouTube, so basically, let me raise this up. That way you can see a bigger picture of this. Just installing the piston as we talk. If I can find my rubber mallet. There we go. There we go. And that looks pretty centered. Do is I have the connecting rod right on here right now. Should be this way. Let me look up a photo just to actually, I should be able to. This is how I do most of my research. I just look for other parts that are similar. Oh, so they do both go on the same side. That's interesting, okay. Probably shouldn't be saying that in one of these videos, because I'm supposed to act like I'm an expert in this stuff, but not as much of an expert as the next guy is, so. Yeah, because what happened was a few months ago, I was just about to start putting this all back together when I realized that the piston rings were shot. So I kind of just stopped the project, even though I went ahead and already had ordered the piston rings. I just stopped. I don't know why, but probably because I ran out of time, like I usually do. But at this point, I would like all my stuff back together. Then I can actually make room on this table for other stuff other than just diesel engine parts, which should be nice. That's 12. Was this a 13? Probably a size edge on it. Is it really? That's weird. Huh. Okay. Definitely find that interesting. Never had used anything other than these. Alright, so we're gonna just start to tighten this up just a bit. I believe it's a 13. Yep. Tighten this one up too. I hope you guys can see this somewhat.
But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s. But I do what I like and I do as I please. Ooh, 'cause I was born in the 90s.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize.